it's a chance for people to come in and do some exercise or physical activity. And these people have been referred from their health professionals. So it could be your GP, it could be a practice nurse, physiotherapists. They've come in with a chronic condition, or they're in line of getting a chronic condition. And the exercise that we prescribe are based on their issues that the GP or the health professional sees.
I've always had a bad knee for many years, but I think it was about 2020, I had severe pain, went to the doctor, had an x-ray and was diagnosed arthritis. I did a 6-week course for pain relief, and that sort of put it in my mind, or maybe exercise would help. So I went back to the physio to ask if there was anything I could do, and she referred me to Craig, interviewed me and said I could start, and that was the upside of it. It was all improvement after then.
The scheme lasts for 16 weeks, and during that 16 weeks, there's a 4-weekly timeline. So we sort of like start with initial assessment, and in 4 weeks we have a chat with them, see if they're okay, if there's any changes like to make to their program. And then every 4 weeks from there up to the 16-week period, we make constant contact with the customer. The type of exercises we do, again, it varies. We do a little circuit within this little gym here where we do sort of stepping work and conditioning type exercises. I also get them into the main gym as well, where we do a lot of strength work, some cardiovascular fitness, treadmills, bike work. And I also do a Tai Chi class as well. And I also do a strength-based class, which is like a circuit that you normally see in a leisure centre, but it's pitched towards the exercise referral community.
I can't praise Craig enough. He encouraged me, he helped me, and he makes it fun. It's like one big happy family now. It completely brought my life back to how I want it to be. I've been to Japan twice, I've been to Australia twice, go to my daughter's in Brecon, we go walking almost every week. I can't fault my life now. I'm happy, I'm outgoing, I'm just having a lovely time.